Did you know that your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can automatically copy screenshots straight to your clipboard? This makes sharing images even faster. Here's how to set it up. Open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Find Save Screenshot to Clipboard and then turn it on or off. As the example, we will set this option to on. Now, let's test it. Go back to your note. Take a screenshot. Then open your clipboard from the Samsung keyboard. As you can see, the screenshot is already saved there, ready to paste into messages or note. This is super useful if you need to quickly share a receipt, a chat conversation, or a map location without digging into your gallery. And that's how you use the Save Screenshot to Clipboard option on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.